Another piece of advice, instead of trying to separating the clips, just cut the cardboard for something like this. Much better. That's how the packaging is done. Don't worry, this is super secure with all the foam and everything, so nothing is gonna happen. Let's actually unpack it and see how that goes. And here we are. Just make sure to get all that out of the way and all the parts ready, and then let's start with the assembly. And by the way, everything is explained right here in the instruction manual with pictures for each one of the steps.